We first heard about SDM, we had a building built probably 7 years ago, and they supplied it, but a different company built it, but they supplied it. And then obviously we knew that they was local to us. So yeah, that's how we first originally heard of them. And then when we wanted to do this place, we went straight to them, really. We went down some other avenues first, and then I was like, I think I'll give SDM a ring, go to them, see what they say. We was always going to get SDM to do the building, but it was everything else around it and planning it and doing everything, and I was trying to do it myself, and then I was like, no, it's not going to happen. So spoke with SDM, and Richard just said, well, if you want me to do everything, we can do everything, you ain't got to worry. So that's what we did. We just went straight. I said, yeah, you do it, I ain't got time. From the design to, well, just to everything, bringing everything here. Yeah, they done everything. I didn't have to worry. When we first started looking at it, all I said to him, my instructions to Richard were, I don't want nothing to do with it. I just want to walk out there and there's a building so I can use it. And that was it, really. So the communication between ourselves and them was, yeah, was good. You know, we'd either, if there was an issue here, you know, the boys would ring, we'd speak with them. The on-site team, with everyone that was here, yeah, they come in, they got on as little disruption as possible. Yeah, spot on, really. Having it built now it's just made life easier. We're not working till 10 o'clock at night trying to get stuff done and trying to get caught up. You know, the boys start at a normal time in the morning and they go home at a sensible time in the evening, and just the workload is just, because there's so much to do, it's just made it so easier because everyone's got their own space, own room, and can just get on with it. The main problem that we had here before we started was the level in the ground, and obviously everyone's saying you've got to make the ground up do this, which yes, you have. Richard's got his own little design which saves a lot of money, a lot of time, and works really, really well, and made life so much easier, and they just literally saved me a lot of money. Because they are local, so it makes life easier. There was no got to go hundreds of miles to get bits or anything. They make everything in-house, so it just seemed sensible, really. The new pit in here is good, and I like the drive-through, so we can drive in at that end, come out this end, and it just makes life easier. Definitely recommend them. They just make life simple, easy, and just get on with the job, really, and you ain't got to worry, and it's done. Yeah, so if in the future, if anything happens and we want to expand even more, definitely be calling SDM for a design, and, you know, and go from there, really, and see what we can do, and we'll have to try it, yeah.